traditional HR model versus everything that your one person HR and everything is outsourced. So they have to consider the cost. Alright. In such cases, service associate has to be double hard to demonstrate that you are useful and value added to the end customer. What are the supporting services? Your COEs and shared service center. Now, there were some strategies that companies does that. What they do, they first of all centralize all the shared services in one country. Very common. They go to the country and least what we call labor cost. Kuala Lumpur is one place I know. Philippines is one place I know. Hong is one place I know. You will have people in the same company put together and work on that. After a while, they become effective. They will probably tell the global providers and outsource the whole function out. That's also happening also. So you can see that. Is it a plus point? Because they outsource to a global partner, IBM. IBM no longer sells machine. IBM sells plenty of HR outsourced services today. They're one of the largest. All right.